So here we are. Tecumseh, Tecumseh, Tecumseh. Hi guys, Bruce here. Oh, we got another Tecumseh. This one's the bigger one. Actual 6 horsepower. Not 6 foot-pounds gross torque. This one is in need of some love. This is the cord. That's getting fixed right away, although just to get the ball rolling, pardon me, but that's a 21-inch blade, and I replaced it with a 21-inch blade. Look how much of the blade is gone. So that's not going to do any lifting. It might still do some cutting. So the blade is already under there. It's good. And I'm going to just now do the rope, 7 foot 6 inches long plus 2 inches for safety and knots, 7 foot 8. And I'm just going to do that, and then we'll come back and try and give it a yank. Thanks. It wasn't even knotted. Can you believe that? It was just held in with that staple. That's just wrong. So we'll shove that through. Come on. This makes boring TV here. There it is. Now I just got to push it through. So that's the factory rope out of there, you guys. Can I grab that now? Nope, not yet, eh? Oh yeah, I got her. I'm on her. Yay! We will not. I'm going to put that staple back in even if it's broken. Good. And then I'm just going to straighten the staple and stick it back in. Good as new. Staple's in right there. So now we can let it free. See how much pulls in. Oh, most of it. That's good. Okay, she's got lots of spring on her. Okay, now I'm just going to put the rewind back on here and the tank. Because I had to pull a tank off to get the rewind off. That's no big deal. And then we're going to see if this thing fires. Yay! Alright, now I'm just taking off the carburetor bowl and having a look. You never know. You can solve a lot of world's problems by doing this. It's not bad. Fuel. Are you guys watching this? Almost, eh? Okay, now we're sticking some fuel in this guy. Everybody gets a half a tank. Have I changed the oil yet? No, I haven't. So, gas cap. Oh yeah, air filter too. It's just soaked in oil. Where's the gas cap? I'm looking for the gas cap. Oh, okay, I gotta turn you off and regroup. Alright, Can you see over there? Not too well, eh? Let's back you up. Put you here, out of the way. La la loo, da dee sa bay. And, okay. Now we're going to see if it starts. I just took the bowl off, cleaned the bowl jet, cleaned the bowl, had a look at the carburetor, it looked okay. So I'm just going to, I'll put half a tank of fuel in. I don't know. Spark plug's plugged in. We have oil, old oil. I haven't changed the oil yet. Oh, I haven't done this yet. Now, okay, let's give it a squirt of Kickapoo Joy Juice here. Come on. Did you hit something, buddy? What happened? Well, that'll flood it. If it's got any spark at all. It was running last fall, right? No spark. No spark. It's telling me a story. I'm going to go right from here to ground first. If I see a flicker, well, there's something there. Even the spark plug's no good. Whoa! This is Lawnmower 101 here. I'm not happy. Hey, I'm going to measure that with an ohm meter. Okay, there we are over there testing a spark plug. I just file a little shiny spot on the end of the spark plug, right? Gives me something to measure to. Ohmage. Off the wood. 3.3 ohms. It should be good. I think we got a bad coil. Man getting tired. Yeah, let's do that. We've got a clip. Clips make life easier, actually. Here, let's do this. Not enough spark to light up a spark plug. That's why he tore it. That's why the wire, this rope was so worn out, right? Well, I got coils. Okay, we need some tools to take this thing apart. We need a glass of water first, can you tell? My voice is getting weak. And we need a 3/8 socket. Should be laying around here somewhere. Might be 7/16. I doubt it. No, yeah, that'll do. Okay. Good. Anyway, I'm going to just change this coil out. When I get there, I'll come back. Alright, you guys, I suspect the coil. It'll light up my neon indicator, but it won't jump a gap on a spark plug. I had that wired to ground. So now I'm going to just change this coil. And if we get a spark, and the on-off wire from the bail, right now there's a ground on it, and when you close the bail, the ground goes away, so that part works. So this whole day has been a plethora of Lawnmowers 101. What did I do with the 1/4-inch hand drive? 1/4-inch hand drive. Come on, baby! I need you. Well, I guess I could. Oh, here it is. It's always by the camera when I'm losing something, eh? So let's go to top dead center. That's that's an original ratchet. Here it is. 1/4-inch helper outer. Who's it? Now, okay, this is funny. Sorry, speak. When the boys and I were the crew, we used to call this a nurse. Did you know why we call that a nurse? Anybody familiar with the movie with Jack Nicholson in it? Nurse Ratched. So we just asked for the nurse, and everybody knew. Oh no! Oh no! Is that a 1/4-inch? 1/4. And there that one came. That one's not gonna come. Gee. Gotta go a little tighter, I guess, or looser. Maybe these vice grips are getting old like me. Man, I'm gonna get a different set. There's a little wobble in those. Let's get the nicest looking pair I can find. If that bolt snaps off in there, I will be ticked. I think it's coming. No, it's not going to do that anymore. Flashlight! Boy, since I ordered these new flashlights, my life's improved. No, it's not. It's not the thing moving. I think I better touch that with a tiny bit of heat. Oh my God. And a little bit of crystal blue perspiration. We're going all the way on this one, guys. Everything needed love. might even have to go to new bolts for the... I don't want to snap those off. Okay, let's just have a little turn on here. Well, it's coming off no matter what now. Well, let's give her a shot with this vice grip here now. Did you guys get that? It was kind of interesting, wasn't it? Hey! Now don't touch it with your fingers, Bruce. Hey, Welpy boy! I'm going to get new bolts, I think. Okay, let's just put that right over there so we don't use it. Now, it's no good now anyway. I took a torch to it, right? Lovely. Now I just got to find 2 new 1/4 inch bolts. I'll be right back. You guys aren't going to believe it, but in my pail I got the little stuff in the top and the big stuff in the bottom. You've seen that before, I think. Save my rear end one more time. When I take apart a mower, I don't keep the big stuff, I keep the little stuff. Two brand new old now I'm gonna make sure that's down. I'm going to spin this and see if we got a spark. But the only way to do it is to put a clamp on the bail, right? Okay. So clamp. And a drill with a 3/8, 3/4 drive. 3/4 hiding somewhere here? Yes, it is. And, oh, that's 3/8. You right there, guys? No plug in it, it should spin. And we need a clamp to make the ground go away. Now we're looking for a spark. Are we plugged into a spark plug? No, we aren't. Wo sind werden plakken? I got this nice little RJ19LM. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Now we should see a spark. Don't spark yourself. We got a spark. I'm just going to put everything back together again, guys. Tank back here. I just want it to fire once, right? Let's get rid of all our projectiles here. Screw a little juice in there. Get rid of all the projectiles because we're going to do a test. Yes, I'm going to do it. With that up there, we should, and this on here, we should have about 16 rotations on this guy. Oh, compression. Okay, she runs like a champ, eh? Whew! Hope you didn't see me burn my finger on the muffler. That's alright. What I was trying to do was turn up the idle at the same time, eh? Save myself reaching in. There, I'm just going to fill it with gasoline again. I'm going to give her one more touch. With the, what do you call it? RPM finder hooser. Should go. I don't know if my battery's got enough juice. Here's the other one. I'm going for it now, guys. Oh, thing clapped off. Should go. See? $32.10. It's funny, right? I'm shooting for 32. I'm shooting for 3,200, and it always goes to 3180 or 3210. Maybe that's the detector. So I'm just going to reassemble this, guys, now, and all we got to do is an oil change. So after all that, it still needed to be primed to be started. So I'm going to try it again. Something's leaking on the carburetor. Isn't that something, hey? Well, I think it's doable now. I'm going to change the oil in it. Where's the old hole coming out? Right there, right? Okay, I'm going to do it. Just going to change the oil, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and see how it's doing, and then clean it up. So if the green one, starts tomorrow with the primer, we're done, baby. So he brought that in and told me it needed a tune-up, and had no spark, and the spark plug was one of those first flight ones. So anyway, it's got a coil, a spark plug, an air filter, and a blade. That's my parts. Oh, and a rope. And then a cord and oil. But that, that's a. If it was running, that's what you would put in. Would be an oil and an air filter. So yeah. So that's one of those ones where you break even. Thanks.